The game has completely changed on YouTube, and if you're not paying attention right now, you're missing out on the biggest opportunity we've seen in years. Small creators are literally exploding overnight, and it's not by accident. There's a specific reason this is happening, and I'm about to show you exactly how to take advantage of it using artificial intelligence tools that make the entire process ridiculously simple. Something extraordinary is happening on the platform that I've never witnessed in over a decade of creating content. YouTube has fundamentally shifted how they promote channels, and they're now actively pushing smaller creators into the spotlight. We're talking about channels with less than 300 subscribers getting hundreds of thousands of views seemingly out of nowhere. The secret behind this phenomenon is a recent algorithm update that YouTube executives have openly confirmed. They've assembled a dedicated team whose sole purpose is identifying promising small channels and boosting their visibility. This represents the first time in YouTube's history that such a systematic approach has been implemented to help emerging creators. But here's where it gets interesting for you. They're not randomly selecting channels to promote. There's a specific formula these successful creators are following, and it revolves around what I call strategic content creation, combined with artificial intelligence automation. The foundation starts with intelligent niche selection. Tools like TubeMagic AI have revolutionized this process by providing comprehensive niche analysis that shows you exactly which topics are profitable and which ones small channels can realistically compete in. Instead of guessing or copying what everyone else is doing, you can access data showing the earning potential of over 200 different niches. Once you've identified your niche, the real magic happens with AI-powered video ideation. Traditional creators spend hours brainstorming topics, but smart creators are using TubeMagic's Video Ideas Generator. You simply input successful channels in your space, and the AI analyzes their top-performing content, then generates fresh, unique concepts that have proven market demand. The research phase becomes effortless when you leverage AI transcription tools. Rather than manually watching dozens of competitor videos, you can extract their transcripts, instantly identify the key points that resonated with audiences, and understand exactly what information viewers are seeking. This gives you a massive head start in creating content that people actually want to watch. But creating great content is only half the battle. The real money comes from understanding how to monetize small audiences effectively. The old model required millions of views to generate significant income, but that's completely outdated now. Smart creators are building automated revenue streams that generate substantial income from much smaller subscriber bases. Faceless YouTube channels have become particularly powerful because they eliminate the personal branding bottleneck that stops most people from starting. You don't need to be on camera, you don't need professional equipment, and you don't even need to use your own voice. AI voice generation tools can create natural-sounding narration, while AI writing assistants help craft engaging scripts that keep viewers watching. The key to explosive growth lies in understanding viewer psychology and implementing what successful creators call content loops. These are psychological hooks that keep people engaged throughout your entire video. You pose questions early in your content, then strategically delay the answers while providing value along the way. Each answer naturally leads to the next question, creating an addictive viewing experience that YouTube's algorithm absolutely loves. TubeMagic AI streamlines this entire process by analyzing comment sections of successful videos in your niche. The AI identifies the most engaging audience responses and helps you incorporate those insights into your own content. This means you're not just creating videos, you're creating conversations that viewers feel compelled to participate in. The monetization landscape has evolved dramatically beyond traditional ad revenue. Affiliate marketing has become the primary income driver for smart creators who understand that solving problems pays better than entertaining audiences. When you create helpful content that genuinely assists people, they become eager to purchase recommended solutions. Digital product creation has never been easier with AI assistance. You can develop comprehensive courses, ebooks, or software recommendations that provide ongoing value to your audience while generating recurring revenue streams. The beauty of this approach is that a few hundred engaged subscribers can generate more income than millions of casual viewers. The technical barriers that once prevented people from starting YouTube channels have essentially disappeared. AI tools handle video editing, voice generation, thumbnail creation, and even content optimization for search algorithms. What used to require teams of specialists can now be accomplished by a single person with the right tools and strategy. Geographic limitations no longer matter when you're creating faceless content about universal topics. Whether you're interested in productivity tips, financial advice, technology reviews, or educational content, there are audiences worldwide hungry for quality information presented in engaging formats. The timing couldn't be better for new creators willing to embrace these technological advantages, while established creators resist change and stick to outdated methods. Innovative newcomers are leveraging AI to compete at levels previously impossible for solo creators. Success in this new landscape requires understanding that consistency beats perfection every single time. The creators experiencing explosive growth aren't necessarily the most talented, they're simply the most systematic in their approach to content creation and audience building. Your opportunity window is wide open right now, but it won't stay that way forever. As more people discover these strategies and tools, the competition will inevitably increase. The creators who start implementing these systems today will have significant advantages over those who wait and watch from the sidelines. The transformation from complete beginner to successful YouTube creator has never been more achievable or more profitable than it is right now in this AI-powered content creation era.